shower and this is the outfit for the photo shoot. I know it's like a bit plain. I don't think it's a bit plain, but a lot of people will probably say it's plain. But honestly, it looks really cute for me. And the star chain is really cute, and like the red arm socks and the black one is honestly really cute. I really love it.
Baby, come back. And yo, Charles, drop it on me.
그날 밤은 내가 너무 심했어. 네가 진짜 하루에도 수십 번 오늘 계속 뛰쳐나가 난 주위를 두리번 다시 돌아온 게 living with a boy who acts his age. And I guess I'll just miss her, even though she isn't even really gone. Things are just different ever since she cut her blue hair off.
Finally home after a long day. I'm so tired, but it was fun.